Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Lots to talk about today. I'm going to tell you about the best deals going on this week over at Target and at Walmart. I feel like it was a little bit slower week. Excuse me. I feel like it was a little bit slower week at both of the stores, but that's okay because I have other amazing offers that I want to tell you about. So it gives me a little bit of extra time to talk with you about those deals as well. Obviously, with it being Black Friday and then Cyber Monday and it being the holidays, there are deals everywhere. And I don't have all the time in the world to tell you in this video because you'll just stop watching. So I'm going to drop in the comments links to some of the best deals that I think are going on. But I also want to point out a few that I have done recently and that I can stand behind. So I recently joined Fabletics and the deal's amazing. It's 80% off and they have their leggings 2 for $24 with my link down below. Now, I've held off on talking about it because my order hadn't come in yet and I wanted to make sure that it was a good product before I told you about the amazing deal because it's not an amazing deal if it's not a good product. So, I'm sporting my new jacket that I love. I ended up ordering this jacket, a shirt, like a tank top, 4 pair of leggings. I ordered a couple of sports bras. I love everything that was sent to me, like really like it. And that's kind of unusual for me to place an online order for clothes and like all of it, but the quality was really, really good. So I am talking about it now because I do think the product is awesome and that 80% discount is just ridiculous. It is like a subscription or membership type program. You can cancel at any time, and all the specifics are on their website, but I wanted to tell you about that. Again, I'll drop the link down below. Another one that I want to tell you about, and that speaks to the meals that we are eating this week. So I've done every plate now on and off for over 2 years because it was right during the pandemic, like at the beginning, when I started getting the meal kits because it was just so convenient to have it delivered to the door. But right now, the deal for new people is so amazing. And I'll pop it up here on the screen, but you could get 6 meals. So that's like 2 people, 3 meals for the week for $12. $12. Like, it was a ridiculous deal. So even if you just check it out for a couple of weeks, totally worth it. That's cheaper than going to the grocery store and making your own food at home. But so tonight, I think this is what I'm having tonight. The mozzarella tomato jam and zucchini panini. I've had this before. It is delicious. And I might serve it with some of that soup that I got not too long ago. But I love just the sandwich. And then last night I did like the fajita tacos, and then the night before I did this like Tuscan grilled chicken pasta. My son loves this one. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you about it. If you've been thinking about a meal kit, I've done a number of them. I've done Every Plate, I've done HelloFresh, and I've done Home Chef. There's a deal on all of them right now. And I'm like real hesitant with subscription stuff because I never want to get charged for something that I don't want. But I'm telling you, it is so easy to skip weeks when you want to skip weeks or cancel if you need to cancel. Obviously, I haven't canceled, but that is an option if you're not happy with it or you just want to stop for whatever reason, you can easily cancel. I have been pleased with their customer service as well. So again, with my link down below, you can score your first box. It's going to be different depending on how many people and how many meals, but I just pulled it up for 2 people, 3 meals. It would be $12 for your first box. Crazy awesome deal. Another one that I wanted to tell you about was the giveaway. I'm currently doing a giveaway over on Instagram. So this one is really fun. It is giving away a family pack of the Get Out Pass. So if you haven't heard of it before, go to getoutpass.com. See if your state or a state that you're visiting for vacation is on there. There's 21 different participating states. but my son and I have them, and we've been playing around at different places in our area. You buy the pass, and then the pass gets you into all of these different places completely free. And I did try it out to verify that it was free and that I didn't have any issues using it. And we have had 0 issues. We've done laser tag, we've done mini golf, we've done the aquarium. I'm trying to think. I feel like we used it one other place, but no issues. Awesome. So if you want to get entered in the giveaway, pop on over to my Instagram at Save with Christina. If you don't want to do the giveaway, you're ready to buy a pass as a gift or for yourself, use the code Christina because that's going to give you the highest discount that is currently available. Now, last one, and then I promise I'm going to get to Target and Walmart. Last one I want to tell you about is something I wish I had known about when my son was younger, because I remember when he was probably 7 to 10 years old, when he was running around the neighborhood wanting to play with friends. I wasn't ready for him to have a cell phone yet, but I wanted to know where he was. And so basically I made him stay where I could see him because I'm overprotective mom and I wanted to make sure he was safe. But I was talking with this company, Gab Wireless. They have watches and phones that are kid safe. So you can GPS track them so you can see where your kiddo is. You can send text messages. It can send text messages back. You can do phone calls, but there's no internet access, which means no social media. So it keeps your kiddo safe from the stuff that you don't want them influenced by yet. And the reason I'm telling you about it, one, I think it's a great platform, but two, they're running an amazing promotion right now. You can get a free phone, no contract required, or a free watch or a free premium phone. That one does require a contract. Again, use the code Christina because that's going to hook you up with those free device that you choose, and it's going to give you a free accessory. So check out their website if that's been something you're looking for, or you know another parent who's been looking for something just to help them keep tabs on their kiddo and make sure they're safe, but they aren't quite ready or responsible enough for a phone that does all the things. Okay, if y'all have questions on that, don't hesitate to drop me a comment down below. Let's talk about Target first, and then we're going to get into Walmart. So I was a little disappointed because I did this amazing spray and wash deal over at Target, posted a reel on it, and then probably within a few hours of me posting the reel, Target took the deal away. So that's kind of frustrating because it was an awesome deal, but that's why you don't see it here, is because it's no longer available. The one I am going to tell you about that should still be there is on these Sinful nail polishes. They're $1.99 each. You want to pick up 3 of them because when you buy 3, you're going to get a $5 gift card. So I picked up 3 at $1.99. That's $5.97, and you're going to get a $5 gift card, leaving you to pay 97 cents for all 3 of them, or just 32 cents each. Now, I did that in store. You could do it online. Just make sure when you scan the product or when you look it up online, it still says buy 3, get a $5 gift card. When I did that, it said it was available for pickup, but it did work in store for me. Now, another good deal, especially if you like these little stocking stuffer type things or gifts, these EOS Evolution of Smooth little gift sets. These are buy one get one 50% off, but there is a a Target Circle offer on these as well. So I ended up paying $3.71 each for these, but check your Ibotta because I had a $2 rebate on Ibotta for each of them, leaving me to pay just $1.71 for each of these cute little gift sets. Now, let's talk Shopkick for a minute. The Grove dish soap, this is priced at $4.99. In my Shopkick app, when you scan it and buy it, you're going to get $4.08 back, making your final cost just 91 cents for this thing of dish soap. Another Shopkick offer is on the raisins. These raisins are $4.19 at Target. Shopkick is currently giving back $3.44, making this pack of raisins just 79 cents. Now, you could do this at Walmart if you want. I did it at Target. I believe it's just a little bit less expensive at Walmart. The ranch packet, now check your Shopkick, because when I did this offer, I got back $1.74 on Shopkick, and the total cost of this was $1.99. So after I got that rebate, it made it just 25 cents. I say check your Shopkick because the Shopkick offers can change, and I just want to make sure you check it before you go into the store and buy it. With Shopkick, every 250 kicks equals $1. So however many kicks it says you're getting, like 1,000 for this, you divide it by 250 to tell you how many dollars you're going to be getting back. Now this is another one that can be done either at Walmart or at Target. At Target, the yogurt, the Silk Almond Milk Yogurt, is $1.69. It gives $1.05 back on Ibotta, making it 64 cents, and the limit was 3. Now, at Walmart, they were a little bit less expensive. They were $1.52. You'd get back $1.05. That makes it 47 cents each. So if you shop at both stores, Walmart is your best bet. You make the call on that. So that was all at Target. Now let's talk about Walmart. I went ahead and picked up these bars, these protein bars, because they're $5.23, but there was a high value Ibotta rebate at $3.50, making it just $1.73. I did end up hitting my Ibotta midweek moneymaker bonus, which was $5, which helped bring the cost of all of this down to like right around $7 for everything that I purchased. I picked up a few just kind of like staple type deals because they were easy rebates with Ibotta. The Rice-A-Roni is $1.22, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta. Same thing with the Pasta-Roni, $1.22, getting back 50 cents on Ibotta, making it just 72 cents each. These two products are also part of a bonus that's going to give you an additional, I think, 50 cents when you redeem 5 offers. This one is also part of that bonus. The Near East rice or couscous. I love this brand. These are $2.33, getting back 75 cents on Ibotta, making it $1.58, and the limit was 5 on that one. My son loves their pearled couscous. He really enjoys that brand and their pearled couscous. Now, over in the travel section, if you pick up 3 of these small Olay body washes, they are $1.77 each. So buying 3 of them totals you $5.31. You're going to get $5 back on Ibotta, which means it's 31 cents for all 3 of them, or just over 10 cents a piece. I think the rest are Shopkick offers. So this one was kind of cool. Do as I say, not as I do. So let me tell you the way the deal's supposed to work. Grab a Hallmark ornament, okay? The cheapest ornaments I could find were $48. Then grab a Hallmark bag, the ones that look like lunch bags. They're 33 cents, and they do qualify for the rebate. Then you want to buy a 98-cent card. My store didn't have the 98-cent cards, so the cheapest one they had was a $2.98 card. I still did the deal, but I'm going to tell you how it would work. If your store has the 98-cent cards, you would pay $5.79, but then you're going to get back $6.38 on Shopkick, making it free, and a 59-cent moneymaker for all 3 of those items. Awesome deal for Hallmark. That was actually a Hallmark representative at my store when I was there. I was like, hey, do y'all have the 98-cent cards here for the holidays? And she's like, no, we don't have them at this store. So I was out on that, but I still wanted to do the deal. A couple other good ones that I saw were on these Suave shampoo and conditioners. So the rebate reads kind of weird. It says shampoo and conditioner, but you do only have to buy one of them. The $2.94 on the shampoo, $2.94 on the green shampoo. I scanned them both. They both scanned as qualifying, and we'll get back $2.72 on Shopkick for each of them, making them each just 22 cents. Now, my receipt hasn't processed, but that's pretty typical with Shopkick. When I do a lot of rebates on one receipt, it typically takes a little bit longer for it to process. The Johnson's Baby Soap, this is $1.98. There's a Shopkick rebate for $1.84 back, making it just 14 cents for this soap. And then the last thing I picked up were these Lysol wipes. This was also in that travel section. They were $1.56. Now there's a 75-cent rebate on Ibotta, which I was expecting, but when I scanned it, I noticed that it was part of the Lysol bonus, and I think because I bought the Lysol laundry sanitizers last week, I went ahead and I got that 75-cent bonus when I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. So that made my final cost for this just 6 cents. Speaking of the Lysol sanitizers, you could do that deal at Target this week. Check your Ibotta rebate for a Lysol sanitizer rebate plus a Target Circle offer. I think it was $1.50 off on the Lysol sanitizer. So you might be able to snag a good deal on that as well if that's a product that you like. Whew, I feel like that was a lot of information in a short period of time. So if y'all have questions, don't hesitate to drop them down below. Like I said, I will drop probably a list of 5 or 6 offers down in the comments, just ones that I've done or I think are 100% awesome deals that you might want to check out. So I'll do that down in the comment section. And as always, I try to include them in the description box of the video. Hope y'all have a great week. Thanks.